Hello and welcome to video number 8. This is all about automating your email, and the goal here is to eliminate as much mundane tasks as possible. So I touched base briefly on this in the previous video about creating filters, but I want to go in more depth so that you can apply this to regardless of whatever you're using, Outlook Express, Outlook, Yahoo, or Gmail, or anything like that. So basically what we want to do is filter all the email that's coming in. So you have tons and tons of email that's coming in. We want to put them in different folders so that you can categorize them by priority. So obviously you're going to need to prioritize. So a tip in naming your folders is to name them via your priority. So that way you do not forget them. So priority, I mean by topic. So for example, pet care, get fit and healthy, budget and expenses, engage with clients, and so forth. Now, you want to avoid creating many subfolders as these items tend to be forgotten in the long run. So try to keep them as general as possible and just go at that. Now, let's talk about filtering. How do you get hundreds of emails to filter out and get them placed automatically into your folders? Well, to do that, you basically want to create filters. Most of the programs will have what we call filters or labels and things like that. Gmail has what we call filters. And if you go to the search box at the very top, and if you search, let's say for example, an email address, you'll notice at the bottom of that search, it says create a filter. Same thing. So when you create a filter, this filter tool is basically designed to automatically handle all these emails and get them into their designated folders. So you can specify, hey, I want all emails that come from, let's say, for example, support@yahoo.com or something, or any specific subject line. Maybe every time you get a subscriber, for example, from Yahoo or YouTube channel, for example, let's say, for example, you get a subscriber and it says, congratulations, you get a subscriber. So what you can do is you can copy that subject line. As long as it's repetitive and it follows a pattern and it's consistent over and over again, you can copy that and you can say that every time this subject line appears, I want to filter these emails and then designate them into a specific folder or label. Now with Gmail, they specify their folders as labels. Now with Yahoo, it's folders, and with different programs, it can be different. But as long as you understand the concept, as a filter is some sort of search to specify, what it should do. And then the folder is where it should go. So from point A to point B. So as long as you understand those two concepts, then creating those within your email program should be fairly easy. Now, you can set your filter option to sort out your incoming emails, depending on email address, specific words on the subject line or body, or even specific words in your body and elsewhere. You can even set spam emails to go directly to your trash folder. You just go to your email settings, click on filters. With Gmail, you do the search, and then you can create the filter. And you can specify, like, if it has attachments, filter it to this specific folder or label it, or you can get specific, like if it has an attachment, it's from this email address, copy it to maybe the important folder, specific clients and things like that. So when you get clients, or you're doing this for a job and you have it from your boss and so forth, you can do that as well. That way you can make life easier for you. You automate it, you prioritize, you know exactly what needs to get done. Then all you have to do is go to that folder in the future and do what you need to do. And that's it. So now we are at video number 9, and we're going to talk about automating Twitter and Facebook posts in that particular video. So we'll see you there.